Hello, folks. We're back at Don Leitzel's car garage, car barn, he called it. Again, we're selling all his cars one at a time. Up this time is a 1950 Riley Drophead Coupe. This double overhead cam, 4-cylinder, 100 horsepower, 4-speed. We've been driving it this afternoon, and gosh, it's fun. I didn't realize, but it's a front torsion bar suspension, so it handles better than you'd imagine. The engine, again, double overhead cam, early generation before Chrysler did a Hemi-type setup. Google it, make a comment, tell me I'm not right or I'm not wrong. Your choice. Car's gonna be sold again. It was sympathetically updated a few years back before Don bought it. They freshened some paint, and motor had been rebuilt. Top's pretty authentic to original, but it'll keep the water out. We want to give an honest understanding of the car. Brakes work good. And again, we're in Beech Creek, Pennsylvania with this car. If you want to come see it, we invite you. If you have something to say, please do below and reach out to us. Message us. We're happy to answer any and all questions. Thanks always for looking at his cars and keeping his memories alive. here in central Pennsylvania, out of Beech Creek, Pennsylvania. Another one of Don Leitzel's collection. 1950 as its title, Riley. Left-hand drive rear car. He probably spent 1,500 to 2,000 miles driving this car. Just around the farm and up and down the lane.